morning, Mr. Whip. Hey, Whip, I'm gonna try to wave from the bluegrass. Good morning to you from the bluegrass. Master P with the get down and go.
Hello, 1929, Buffalo 1, 1929, Buffalo 1, 1929. I heard somebody say hello to Whip at 06 was moving that big quad around. Good morning, 6 in the lake, Mr. Whip in the bayou country. Probably wasn't no rider on that. But I heard 06 in the lake move that big quad around. Hello, 6 in the lake, Whip in the bayou country. Hey, 6 in the lake, Mr. Whip in the bayou country, mate.
Hey, Whip, I'm gonna see if I can't move this small quad around in your town, Cat Migger. Hey, Whip, Master P said I'm gonna try to move this small quad around your town. Good morning to you, Whip. Whip and Mo Whip P, Master P with the get down and the good morning, break bang.
1929, 1929, 001. Whip in the bayou country. Hey, 6 in the lake, I do say Whip in the bayou country. Good morning, 6 in the lake, you said Whip in the bayou country. Hey, 6 in the lake, Mr. Whip in the bayou country, mate.
Hey, Whip, I told you it's Master P around Kentucky, Cat Migger. Hey, Whip, good morning to you, man. Once again, P, Master P. Hey, Whip, Master P around Kentucky, man, with the good morning and the new week. Whip and Mo Whip P and the P-Funk getting down.
No rider, no get back, no come back on 6 in the lake, Mr. Whip in the bayou country on the mail.
I guess them Cat Miggers got them hammers down up in the Great Lakes. Don't look like I can get in Whip's radio. Can't get around the bayou on that end. P, Master P around this bluegrass country still rocking his mail.
Talking in Texas, Master P.
Yeah, I'm pretty much. I'm talking somewhere, but I just don't know. You said I'm talking in Texas. Well, good morning to you while I'm talking in Texas, that break.
I heard he enjoyed his talking, man. But I'll probably now let you know you're broadcasting in Texas.
Yeah, 410 Mockingbird. Top of the morning, right back to you, man. I sure appreciate you throwing the lifeline out too, man. Maybe I need to go ahead and check this Cat Migger. I thought I was in the bayou somewhere, but I'm over in Big H-Town, around H-Town on that end. I believe that's where you at there, Mockingbird. Am I correct on that end, that break?
You might hear Mockingbird, but you got him in the bayou country. You might hear Mockingbird, but Mr. Whip in the bayou country. You got him in the bayou country. You parked in the bayou country. Mr. Whip in the bayou country on the mail. You're broadcasting. Break on.
Yeah, 410 on that Mockingbird. I appreciate it, man. Well, that Cat Migger Whip. That Cat Migger just woke up or something. I don't know what's wrong with that duck plucker. He said I was up in his town on it end. But I was trying to get to that Cat Migger earlier, but them Cat Miggers up in the Great Lakes had that Cat Migger's ear, so I couldn't make the trip, no doubt about it, with this little small Cat Migger driver, no doubt about it. Hey, Mockingbird, I appreciate the bump down, man. You have a super fine Independence Day when it gets around to you and the family. Hey, Mockingbird, P, Master P, and this little P-Funk quad around the bluegrass, throwing it down. You have a good week, and I'll see you. Bye-bye-bye.
Hey, folks, back to you. Appreciate all the Cat Migger. I mean, he's on the body of the Louisiana, he might hear, but he won't say good morning to his friend Whip down here in the bayou country. Okay, I'm going to do what I do best and let you get back to Mockingbird. Whip in the bayou country on the mail.
Yeah, 410 Whip, man. I was trying to speak on your Cat Migger. Hey, Whip, I was trying to put this Cat Migger P-Funk quad around your town, man. I ain't working on but a little watch, man, so that's what it was. It was real hard on you, man. Old Master P around Kentucky, man, was waving at your Whip. And no Whip, P and the P-Funk around Louisville getting down.
Master P around the P-Funk around Kentucky, man. I ain't too strong, man. I guarantee you. Well, good morning, my friend. Master P around the P-Funk around Kentucky. Whip in the bayou country. I'm going to get myself back. I got to go get ready to start doing a little good honeydews. Take care. Master P around the P-Funk. Whip in the bayou country. Good morning. Bye-bye-bye.
Yeah, 410 on that big brother. No pain, no strain on that kid on your end, man. You all up in this Cat Migger quad, man. That It's all about you at this 1036, Whip. Hey, well, got you by the hair. Mama say Independence Day to you and the family, man. When it gets around to you, man, God bless you, God keep you. Whip, you said you got some honeydews to do on that cat big in. All right, my friend, I'm going to ease on back, man. You have a God bless one. And like I said, Independence to you and the family. I'll see you. Bye, bye, bye.
Good morning, around Hawaii, country. Mr. Whip, right up. I just don't have another ton of waves and come down in the Bayou country. Mr. Whip in the Bayou country on the mail.
Hey, you got that right. He tried that time. But right there, I'm throwing some interference right there. I didn't intercept that pass, Whip. Hey, Whip, I just intercepted the pass. Put it on you later, man. Independence Day coming up to you and the family. Put it when I can. Hey, Whip, in the Bayou, P and the P-Funk getting down and go.
And that'll work, P-Funk. They got to do a surgeon, man. Oh, I haven't done no surgeon. He called him big wave. He scored a 10, though. Hey, Master P on the P-Funk, boy, haven't done caught a big wave. They got to do a surgeon, and he scored a 10. He had a good wave, though, I guarantee you. You know how that is. It's a long play out. Thank you, Master P on the P-Funk. Mr. Whip in the Bayou country. Monday morning wave. Bye.
Tim Riley on that here. I know what you're saying, Captain. Catch a wave. When you catch that wave, you gotta learn. You gotta know how to surf too. You better know how to surf, no doubt about it. All right, Whip. Independence to you and the family once again. I'ma ease this P-Funk quad, this little 20-footer, this 20-foot quad around your town. Got down and go. Big brother, I heard you, man. Boy, you had a hammer out there, man, but your audio was real low. Hey, big brother, hollering at Master P, man. I heard you, man, because you got a big old hammer in my radio, man, but your audio was way down there, man. I don't know, you might want to check that cat making mic gain or something. But you had a great big hammer, and you waved at Master P, but I didn't get that 2-8. Master P around this bluegrass, we still paying attention. Bye.
P-Funk Black Horse, P-Funk Black Horse, L-O-P, P-Funk Black Horse, bottom side of Horseshoe Street.
Hey, Black Horse, right back to you, man. Top of the morning to you. Welcome to the new week. And we're going to say Independence to you and the fine family when it gets around Thursday on that Cap Big and In. If you still got a copy, me and this little P-Funk, this P-Funk quad trying to get it right back to you. Black Horse, come on.
Hey, P-Funk gets it in, Black Horse, bottom side of Horseshoe City, Louisiana.
Yeah, Tim right here on that Black Horse, man. Boy, it was rough that first go around, man, but you kind of walked it on through, man. There's some other big brother trying to wave at me, man. He's got a big old hammer with you, man, but that cat nigga's audio ain't up to snuff like yours on that end, Black Horse. Hey, Black Horse, Independence Day to you and the family when it gets around to you once again. Black Horse, I got down.
And I thank you, P-Funk gets it in, Black Horse,
Yeah, 410 on that, man. Hey, Black Horse, I appreciate the bump down the key down, man. I slow key, man. I was trying to see who that was, man. That was Crap Shooter. Hey, Crap Shooter, man, you got a big old hammer out there, man, but your audio ain't up to where it's normally at, man. I heard you plenty loud in that cat maker, but your audio ain't loud in my radio this morning for some reason. But anyway, I heard you, man. I'm going to acknowledge your station because you was right there with that Black Horse on that end, man. I just didn't get that 2-8 real clear because your audio was down low. Hey, Crap Shooter, Black Horse, Independence to the fine families when it gets around to y'all cat makers. This P-Funk around Louisville, KY, throwing it down. on that cat making in. It was all about you that go around, man. Hey, Crap Shooter. We appreciate the bum down, man. Sure appreciated you calling my little name on that cat making in. And we're going to say good morning, man, while you got that hammer right now, cat maker. And the audio did come up just a tad bit more because it was all about you, man. Crap Shooter, P and the P-Funk, man. Right back to you one more time. I'm getting down.
That's it. He's out of here. Strike 3. The boys out of here. Hey, P and the P-Funk. Strike 3. The boys out of here. Black Horse in the store to get down now.
Well, right there, Black Horse, I had to do what I had to do, man. You said strike 3 on that cat making in. Well, I had to do what I had to do, man. Hey, Black Horse, it was all about you. It was all you that go around that 1036, man. Morning time to you, cat maker. Sound like you got about 3 cups of mud in you right now, cat maker. You all excited that bye. Yeah, I guarantee you, you know, man, I'm dipping on my first one on this cat making in. I got the first cup in my cat making lips. I guarantee I'll show you. Good morning to you, P. I'm gonna get on out of here, man. I'm just showed up and I'm showing out. And look here, hey, P. It's P-Funk, Black Horse shit. I pulled up a fan, showed my ass, and I'm gone. You know, man, I'm dipping on my first one on this cat making in. I got the first cup in my cat making lips. I guarantee I'll show you. Good morning to you, P. I'm gonna get on out of here, man. I'm just showed up and I'm showing out. And look here, hey, P. And the P-Funk, Black Horse shit. I pulled up a fan, showed my ass, and I'm gone. Bye. Put it on your leg, cat maker. Sounding real good, man. While you got that first cup going. Me and this P-Funk Quad doing the same thing, sipping on this cup of mud. Have a good day. Hey, man. Tim Ryan on that Snoop Dogg. Hey, Snoop Dogg, Tim Ryan, man. Hey, Black Horse, old Snoop Dogg wants you to calm down on that cat making in, man. Hey, Black Horse, Snoop Dogg said he wants you to calm down on that cat making in. Put it on you later, man. Hello, Snoop Dogg. Good morning to you. This P-Funk with the Independence Wave, and I get down. Hey, man, the peace on the P-Funk, Mr. Whip in the mud. You country, Snoop Dogg need to cool down himself. Yeah, 410 Whip. Hey, Snoop Dogg, man, that cat making Whip wanted you to cool down on that end yourself, cat maker. Hey, but talk to cat maker more than you duck fuckers, man. Shining real good up in this P-Funk Quad around Louisville, KY, man. Hey, Whip, boy, what the hell you done, man? Man, you scared me when you keyed up. I thought somebody pulled up in my driveway, cat maker. Hey, Whip, top of the morning to you, big brother. Always a pleasure to put the bump down and the holler on you, man. You still got a copy. Me and this P-Funk, we waving at you right now. Come on. I gotta work, Master P. I ain't done nothing, big brother. I guarantee you, talking on the same old stuff I was talking on in 2000, man. Hey, my only took me about 13 years old. I'm on the radio about 5 or 6 years ago, and that cat nigga that broke this in the shop. That old technology works, man. That new technology don't hold up to our standards. Take care of P on the P-Funk. I'ma do what I do best. I ain't gonna get nothing done if y'all keep me out here all day. Hey, Master P on the P-Funk. Back taking the mail. Bye. Yeah, Tim Ryan on that, man. I feel what you're saying, man. Some of that new school is something else too, man. It hold up, man. It depends on what kind of new school technology you're getting to. No doubt about it. All right, my brother, I'm easy on back, man. We're going to leave it right there, man. I sure appreciate you taking time out your busy schedule, man. I just got back in this duck plugger this morning. Me and O2 Short, my little brother on that end, man. We was down in the Big Star putting up 2 antennas down at Cat Maker. And we just got back in this Cat Maker early this morning, about 3, no doubt about it. So, like I said, hey, Whip, sometimes that new technology ain't all that damn bad, man. Depending on who you get it from. Put it on you later, Whip. Me and this P-Funk, this TST, that Too Short technology getting down and go. I heard you on that Too Short technology, Master P. When I had him on the record 29.95, I
had it for about 6 years, man. I had it for about 6 years, and the mud went out on it, the water fell out on the mud, and fell across the board in it, and stopped me from hearing, man. I started back to the shop, and I got it down, but I got to the UPS and store it up, so I just said, UPS had to send it to the shop, and that's down on them. You got me left here February the 19th. I haven't got it back yet. Take care, Master Peace, Mr. Whip in the Bayou Country. Bye.
Tim, how you on that, man? Well, whatever you're doing, man, you're doing it right now, man. Old school, new school, whatever it is, Cap Nigga, it's working. Hey, Whip, it's working. Whatever you done, whatever you got, Cap Nigga, it's working for you. No doubt about it, man. Always a pleasure. Please, pleasure to put the bum down on you because you're 1080 in my book and you're shining real good. Hey, Whip, if you still got a copy on this little small watch station and this little bitty quad around Louisville, you have a super fine Independence Day, you and the family once again. Go on get your honeydews done, Cap Nigga. Put it on you when I can. This P-Funk, we sitting down. I see you.
And that it was Master P on the P-Funk. 501, old school in the horn, got down. Number 2 station, but I got it on my station, but it's a number 2 radio, so I ain't gonna go there with that number 2 station there. Because you know me, I can afford it. I ain't got no condition 501, I'm just out here playing around now. 410. We probably get 410 on the P-Funk, good. We're downtown Lake Charles on the mail.
Real good copy around Lake Charles, no doubt about it. Appreciate the bump down. Time we had this time. Until next time. Whip in the bayou, the P-Funk. 10-6. I'll see you. Bye.
Old school in the big horn.
Good morning, old school. Good morning, old school. Master P with the good morning and the Independence Wave. If you got a copy, this P-Funk around Louisville, this little quad getting down and go. Hello, Channel Master. You way down there, but I heard you, Cap Nigga. Hey, Channel Master, my good friend, man. Top of the Cap Nigga morning to you. Welcome to the new week. Channel Master, Master P with the high fives and the Independence Day to you and the family when it gets around to you. Channel Master, I got down.
Hey, Too Big in the Great Lakes, statewide deuces down in the swampland. Good morning, Too Big. Good morning, time. Too Big in the lakes, statewide in Louisiana, brother. No give back on Too Big, statewide, got down.
Hey, statewide, I'm gonna say good morning to you, Cap Nigga. Hey, statewide, I'm trying to say good morning to you, Master P around Kentucky, man. We gonna wave 4-1 to you right there, right now, Cap Nigga. Statewide, P and the P-Funk around Louisville, KY with the good morning break.
Good morning, Master P up in Kentucky. Good morning right back to you on that end, man. Trying a whole bunch of good coming down in the swampland, I guarantee you, man. Good morning, Master P in Kentucky, the blue grass.
Yeah, right back, man. Hey, statewide, top of the morning, right back to you, man. We're gonna say Independence Wave to you and the family when it gets around to it, man. You and your brother on that end. Tell that Cap Nigga I did wave my hand. Hey, statewide, deuces, P and the P-Funk around Kentucky with the good morning one more time. I see you.
Yeah, man, see how we have tell those yellow men to say what's up on that Cap Nigga.
Hey, 410, big brother. Hey, my friend, have a good one, man. I'm gonna ease on back, man. Take me a station break, give me another cup of muds, freshen this cup up, no doubt about it, because it done got cold, because I've been sitting here running my jibs. Hey, statewide deuces, put it on you when I can. This P-Funk, this little 4-element quad around the bluegrass, we throwing it down. You have a good day. You rapping and cap it. I got down and gone. man. I heard two cat niggas, Applejack. I think it was Applejack, man. It was real rough, man. But I'm gonna say good morning to you, cat nigga. Independence to you and the family. I heard Big Bull waving a hand at the P-Funk too, man. But I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna take me a station break, take about 5, man. I'm gonna go get me another cup of mud and I'm freshen it up. But good morning, Big Bull and Applejack. Master P with the good morning. I'm gone. Hey, Applejack wanna know what part of Kentucky you in? Master P, you lost Applejack break. Right downtown Louisville, Kentucky, Applejack. Hey, Ral, I heard you say good morning to you, man. Boy, I got cat niggas everywhere coming up in this duck plucker, man. Hey, Applejack, I'm right downtown Louisville, Kentucky, man. Top of the morning, not the new week wave to you, man, and the Independence Day to you and the family. Applejack P and the P-Funk getting down again. Applejack, man. Boy, it was rough and tough, man, but your audio just come on through, man. It ain't real loud right now, cause, man, I'm telling you, man, there's so many cat niggas calling me right at this 10:36. Hey, Applejack, man, you got something coming up this way because cat nigga, it's so cat nigga rough in this P-Funk quad. I mean, there's a whole bunch of duck pluckers calling me, man. But you walked on through, man. I heard everything you said, man. I'm gonna appreciate you waving the hand, cat nigga. If I still get this cat nigga back down around your town on that end, I'ma say Independence Day wave, man. Hey, with Applejack, it's real rough, man. I'm gonna put this cat nigga on Watergate this next key. We get ready to see. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Applejack, me and this P-Funk, we listening to you, that break. That's what I'm getting in this cat nigga, but Big Bull kind of walked it out that time, man. Hey, Big Bull, top of the morning to you. That go around, it was you, man, on that cat nigga in, man. I mean, there's so many duck pluckers calling me, man. Hey, Big Bull, top of the morning to you. Welcome to the new week. Me and this P-Funk getting down.
Starting the week out right, big brother. You starting out broadcasting. Hey, P-Funk, you starting the week out right. You starting out broadcasting. Kid you now. Hey, P-Funk, you became right. Seems like you starting the week out right, big brother. You starting out broadcasting. Hey, P-Funk, you starting the week out right. You started out broadcasting. Kid you now. Hey, P-Funk, you became right.
Hey, Big Bull, that's what's going on right there, right now at this 10:36, man. Hey, top of the week to you, man. Independence Day to you and the fine family. When it gets around to you, you still got a copy. Me and this little 20-foot quad. We got down.
Get back! Somebody got a radio this morning on 27.025. With my radio saying that you can own somebody on 27.025 with a cafe radio this morning. Somebody I still got a copy. Independence Day wave to you, my brother. I'm gonna lean back on this backyard station. P-Funk in the KY, Big Bull and the Big Star. Me in this backyard station.
Yeah, 410 on that cat nigga. Hey, 410 on that, but don't say that cat nigga. I don't want them cat nigga big boys come out there plugging my head, putting patches and putting knots on me, cat nigga. Big Bull, don't say that, man. I was down around the Big Star this weekend. Me and my little brother Too Short on that end. We was down at 10-12 man and doing a little work on that end. And we got home back safe, no doubt about it. Got home this morning about 3 this morning, no doubt about it. Big Bull, appreciate the bump down, man, but I gotta go freshen this cup of mud up. Put it on you when I can, man. Kiss the Queen, tell I did say hello and howdy do. Hey, Big Bull, independence to you and the fine family when it gets around to you. Me and this P-Funk, this quad, goddamn right there. You wrap it and cap it, I'm gone. Alright, Big Bull, man, I'm easy on back. Look like Mother Nature done took a flip to the switch on that end. She's going around down the bayou, no doubt about it, man. Again, put it on you later around T, Texas, man. P in the P-Funk 106, man. Gonna get another cup of mud. Have a good day. Big Bull, that's my last key right there for a few minutes. Me and this P-Funk, we 10-6 to the coffee pot. I see you. Bye, bye, bye. Hey, Big Bull, I forgot to tell you, Cat Mega. Hey, don't forget to go to YouTube on that Cat Mega and put in Master P 1967. I'm uploading this Cat Mega here in a few minutes, what I done this morning. So I'm going to upload this Cat Mega YouTube. So go to Master P 1967. You'll hear this Cat Mega in a few minutes. I'll see you. Bye, bye, bye. I need to be the one putting it on there so you can hear. Because you broadcast this big fella. I'm going to go up there and listen at it too. Hey, Master P, I'm going to go up there and listen to YouTube and listen at it. Boy, you broadcasting this Cat Mega moment. Folks, down on your end, enjoy your coffee because I got mine in my left hand. Master P, Big Bull, T, Texas, down to go. Chill out, you man. Alright, I'm gonna cut this Cat Mega off and I'm gonna upload this Cat Mega. YouTube, Master P 1967. Me and this P-Funk quad. Little bitty Cat Mega antenna, a little bitty watch, but a great big signal in your radio. Big Bull, I'm 1070 gone. I see you, Big Bull. Me and this P-Funk 1070 gone once again. I key no more. Down.